going to unbox winter package. Yay! I've been looking for this a long time already. I really want it. The reason is because of the punch. Since this one is quite old already, I want to throw away. And here, I got this. Let's do unboxing. Winter package. Winter package with Army. Oops. Yay! Woo! Woohoo! It's very pretty. Army. Winter package with Army. Here, Army. BTS, no, BTS come first. BTS, Army. I really can't wait to see the PC, which I should put here, and like this. Winter package with Army. Here, Army. Right here. BTS. Oh, I can put the 7 member later. Okay, let's see inside. This is the back. I really love this. I love this. Okay, let me take out and put here. One. In here. In. Oh, I think I'm seeing the flame. Okay. So here's to wear. Okay, sorry, now it's time to throw away this and put here. Oh, it's fit, luckily. Huh? It doesn't fit? Oh, no way. Please fit it. Oh, no, it doesn't fit. No way. Please fit. No, it doesn't fit. But anyway, I can put like that. It doesn't fit. Monitor is a bit bigger. Okay, no worry, no problem at all. I can use like, maybe just half will do. Yeah, shouldn't be a problem, right? Think so? Okay, before I see this, let me see. This is the 7 member. Picture they draw. Arm, Sugar, Jin, Jiho, Jimmy, V, and Jungkook. Okay, so I want to stick like this. Sugar, Nanjing couple. Okay, and Sugar and Jimmy. Jiho here. Oops. And V and Jungkook. Dun dun. I'll see this later. Okay, now let me see the phone card. With Sugar. It's my first time that Sugar came into me. Okay. Hey, Sugar, wait. Think up. Okay, Sugar. Like this. Like this. Sugar, Flink Heart. I got this. Before I see what is this one, see this one. Jungkook. All the members. I don't know, I just only see RM, Jin, Minhyungi. This is RM, Minhyungi, Jin, Hop, Jimin, V, and JK. Oh, JK with long hair. In this series, she will come first as well. So cute. I've seen this winter package video how they take the photos and all that. The main reason I buy this is because of this punch. Unfortunately, it doesn't fit with my laptop. RM. Yogi. Look like a Yogi. He looks so cool. See his nose turning to red. Oh, Jin. Wow. Oh, me the Obi. Obi. Jimin. Jimin. V. In. Last but not least. JK. Okay, now it's time to see this. Oh, okay. I need to be very careful with this. The group 1 in here. RM, Ming Sugar, Jin So Hyunglai. Hyunglai of something. In here. So cute. They are so cute. And here is Magnet Line. Should I follow the way Namjoon do embossing? Yeah. Oh, it doesn't work. I shouldn't destroy the photo book. I should just the PC should be inside this, right? PC. Yes, PC is here. But I want to see it on later, so I'll cover with this. Oh, PC! I don't want to see it later. I don't want to see it now. I just want to see it later. Okay, put here. Can you please move here, babe? And you come here. It's really fun, like they build a snowman, they even write the name of the army. I think Jimin did first, then followed by other members. Oh, Jungkook. So, although I'm afraid of cold, but I I have a wish to visit to kind of like, I mean, the ice mountain or like the place where it's floating with snow. I really want to enjoy at least once in my lifetime. Our country is especially very hot. We do not have a winter season here. We have never seen the snows. This episode is quite funny. I will just quickly read it. Oh, ice, baby. Oh, sugar. I got sugar from cup. Oh, Jiho. With highlight. Yellow highlight. Very pretty. She mean like the snow very much. Tay is covering his face, his hair. He also think even him getting cool. Can see the nose turning red. So all of them things they all are in the ice, snows. So all of them look quite cool. And they took the photo outdoor. Wow, she's so good. Two brother here. This episode is quite funny. You should watch it. This is the thing. The background is a kind of, what will be the color? Light yellow. It's quite like one thing. I think you're just like passing the cool and bright weather, then just inside the thing is quite warm. I can imagine. I was enjoying with the snows and it's quite cool. And suddenly I came into the room and I got this feeling. Okay, hold it. V. Listening. He's covering his ear. Jim quite handsome. Sugar. The color quite nice. Sky blue. The green one. Oh, this dark green. Black green. Crocodile. Running. Timmy so cute. The color I really like. The sky blue. Since this is one time package, so the thing is really perfect. He's always handsome. Great. It's okay. He should be on the way as well. He should be in the railway as well. That's so cute. You're so cute. Oh, this is TK. Oh, yeah, they've been making a kind of like a sunlight that is imitation. So Jungkook got surprised. Oh, they've been making the sunlight, the background like this. Okay. One thing is Jiho is really handsome. Jin. Can stop thinking about his funny things, funny videos. And his shadow with a kind of rainbow reflection. Jimin. He said he wanted to do this Paris on his eyes. Okay, this is the end. This is the end. Oh, actually, this one is the other one. No? Yes or no? I'll check it later. So now it's time to see. Time to see the PC. PC. Okay. I have no idea. I don't know. Whatever come, I'll be happy. But I do not have a special wish for this version. You know, see? Oh, RM. Oh, he comes to me. RM. Okay, so this package, I got this. Sugar. Yeah, RM. So, okay, now, I have Jiho, Jimin, Taeyong, RM for the PC. So I only have 4 members. So Jungkook, I still need Jungkook, Sugar, Jimin, 3. Thanks for coming, RM. I've ordered his keyring as well. I've been kind of having respect on him during this day. That's why maybe he comes to me. Okay, thanks for watching it. I'll stop my video here. See you in the next video. Bye bye.